Is this the ultimate all-in-one stroller, or does this stroller offer everything you need without the extra weight? We're comparing the Nuna MIXX next to the Nuna TRIV next, in case you aren't able to. Let's talk about the fold. Both strollers offer a compact fold and stand on their own once folded, but the TRIV folds easily with one hand and includes a built-in carry strap, making it super convenient for parents on the go. While MIXX requires two hands to fold, and although it offers a trolley mode for rolling, it feels heavier and more cumbersome to carry. As for size and weight, both strollers are designed to balance comfort with compactness, but the TRIV weighs about 18 pounds and has a smaller footprint, making it easier to carry and store, while the MIXX weighs around 28 pounds and takes up more space, which can make it harder to lift and transport. As for maneuverability and ride, both strollers can handle everyday bumps and turns with features that make the ride smooth and push comfortable, but the TRIV is easier to push thanks to its lightweight frame, smaller wheels, and tighter turn, which makes it great for quick errands and tight spaces. The MIXX has larger wheels and better suspension, so it handles bumps and rough terrain better, but it does take a bit more effort to steer. Let's talk about the handlebar. Both strollers feature adjustable handlebars to help parents find a comfortable height, but the MIXX has the edge with a taller, telescoping handle that's more comfortable for caregivers of different heights, while the TRIV has a shorter height range and may feel a bit low for taller caregivers. For the canopy, both strollers feature extendable UPF 50+ canopies with built-in ventilation to help keep your child shaded and cool. But the MIXX offers more full coverage protection with a longer canopy, zip-out extension, and mesh ventilation panels that are great for warm weather. While the TRIV has a smaller canopy that still offers decent shade, but doesn't extend as far and has less airflow. As for the seat, both strollers come with toddler seats that are reversible, reclinable, and padded for comfort, but the MIXX has a roomier seat with adjustable calf support and thicker padding, while the TRIV has a smaller seat and comes with a lighter padding to keep it minimal. As for newborn compatibility, both strollers are newborn ready when used with the Nuna Pippa series infant car seat, which attaches using its included ring adapter. But the MIXX also offers a carriage style mode right in the seat with a full recline and adjustable calf support. As for storage space, both strollers feature an under-seat basket with a 10-pound weight limit to hold your daily essentials. But the MIXX has a larger basket with a built-in divider and easy access, making it better for carrying bigger items. While the TRIV has a smaller basket that holds just the basics and can be harder to access, especially from the front. And lastly, value and affordability. Both the MIXX and TRIV come with high quality features and are built to last, but the right value depends on what your family needs most. The TRIV is the more affordable option, offering solid essentials for families who want a compact, everyday stroller. It's lighter, easier to carry, and great for city living or quick daily errands. The MIXX costs more, but you get extra features like a true flat recline, larger storage basket, and a smoother ride, making it worth it for families who want more comfort, flexibility, and room to grow.